Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, gagawin po natin ang step-by-step kung paano po mag-fill up ng Philippine Airlines passenger profile. So in your browser, type mo lang ang Philippine Airlines passenger profile, then enter. So, since ang i-fill up ko is domestic travel lang, so click mo lang yung domestic travel. So, here is the next page. Before you fly, registration to PAL's passenger contact tracing forms. All passengers must register to PAL passenger information form as early as 24 hours before their flight. So, click mo lang yan. And then, passenger information form, domestic flight. So, fill up lang natin yung required details, last name, first name, middle name, date of birth, gender, ID number, contact number, email address, address and point of origin, and address and point of destination. And then, after that, click mo lang yung next. So, here is the next page, vaccine information. So, mamili lang po kayo dito kung first dose only, fully vaccinated or no. So like for example, yung vaccine is Johnson, so that is first dose lang. So click mo lang tong first dose only. Pero kung yung vaccine mo ay 2 dose, so ang pipiliin mo is fully vaccinated para ma-input mo yung first dose na date and then yung second dose na date. So since yung client ko is Johnson, so first dose only, and then click mo lang yung next. And then, first dose only, so ang date vaccinated, name of vaccine, so drop down lang at mamili kayo dyan. And then, country where vaccinated, drop down mo lang, Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Europe, North America, Oceania, and South America. So kung sa Philippines lang, piliin lang natin ang Asia. And then after that, click mo lang din yung next. So, country where vaccinated, Asia. So, first dose only. So, saan sa Asia? So, piliin natin is yung Philippines, since sa Philippines lang naman. And then after that, click mo lang yung next. So, flight information, input mo lang yung flight date, destination airport, and then flight number. Then, click mo lang yung next. So, declaration released and waiver. So, next mo lang. And then, important reminder and data privacy. Submit mo lang siya. So, here is the final. So, passenger information form, domestic flight. So, thanks. So, ito po yung screenshot mo. And then, ito yung ipapakita mo. So, like for example, kung 2 ang passenger, so, pagkatapos mo nang na-fill up yung isang information, so, submit other response lang po para ma-fill up mo din yung sa next na passenger. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope may natutunan po kayo sa video ito. So, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa aking new video. So, ayan, bye-bye. God bless po.